Hey, everybody. Thank you for joining me. If you've had challenges in your life, recurring pain, health conditions that don't seem to go away, relationship challenges that keep showing up in your life, financial issues, a lot of fear, trauma, struggles in your life, then I want to share with something with you that's very powerful for healing. So, hi, my name is Dr. Jane Smolnik. I've been a naturopathic doctor, master herbalist, iridologist, quantum energy healer, certified intuitive healer for many, many years, over 30 years actually. And I am also the founder and developer of the BioField Clearing course. So I want to explain a few things for you because now we can heal on very deep levels, and that's essential for us. It's been a passion of mine to understand that we do need to heal down to the level of the DNA. It's not just about taking care of the physical body. That's important, to eat good, healthy food, get good sleep, maybe take some good nutrients and supplements. But very often, that's not actually healing chronic conditions, chronic pain, or helping us across the board. I mean, there's a lot of fear and trauma going on, and we're really being called to rise up to new levels of being in a higher vibration and being aligned with our true source, our true self, and our innate intelligence. So one of the things that I've done is I've developed biofield clearing with the help of my guides. And basically, we have 21 charts that I've developed over the years. And based on whatever your concern is, it could be a chronic health problem, like I said, or a financial issue, anything, absolutely anything. Based on your concern and with your permission, we can ask your innate intelligence, your higher self, your guides, your angels to guide us in this and say, okay, well, for this particular person, what is going on that needs to get cleared? What is in your energy field? What is in your DNA? Do you know we have 34,000 bits of information in our DNA? And it doesn't matter if that DNA comes from the top of your head or the tip of your toes. It's all the same information. So every single one of us comes in with inherited patterns and influences that can go back numerous generations, as well as even our ancestry, which is more of a collective consciousness energy. Do you know humanity has been a pretty traumatized species for thousands of years? And we inherit these things, basically. We can also have our own personal traumas and struggles and challenges in life. So we can identify whatever it is, no matter how far back it goes. It could even be an unresolved past life issue that you're here to work on again. Who knows? So basically, as we go through the charts, we can identify very quickly, okay, well, what's going on? What needs to get cleared in your energy field? So we also use ancient Egyptian healing pendulums. There's one of them right here that I will show you. This is called a Isis. They're based on sacred geometry, have been used for thousands of years, and we can create a powerful magnetic vortex working with anyone, anywhere in the world. And we can actually magnetize, draw out, and neutralize whatever the issue is. So it'll actually clear from your DNA as well as your energy field. And it's not like we are erasing or eliminating a memory. What we're doing is turning it off, neutralizing it so it doesn't have an impact on your life anymore. It could be self-esteem issues. What's keeping you from your real passion? What is some fear and trauma that's going on in your life that you need to really heal from? So we could have chronic anxiety, depression, addictions, absolutely anything. We can have old cords. We can have old vows, old patterns, old programming, even that really come in on a transparent level. So that as we're trying to create a joyful, fulfilling life, we have these transparent influences that we create through that limit us, blocks, stuck energy in our organs, in our chakras, our energy field as well. So we can identify and clear them. So with biofield clearing, once we've cleared a number of different issues, we have some wide open space. And then we have some beautiful, positive inner healing charts and some other pendulums. And we have different techniques that we use to basically find out, okay, what empowering beliefs are your guides saying you need to adhere to? What virtues are you here to master in your lifetime? We all have at least one or two that's trying to emerge from us. What do you need to master for your infinite beingness? And what are your particular inner healing keys? So we're actually realigning the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual body. And we're eliminating all the things that pull us off center, that weigh us down, the negative influences and patterns that keep us stuck and limited. So you can actually rise up and be more aligned with your true self, your innate intelligence, your higher consciousness. You can have more power, more joy, more fulfillment, more passion in your life. And things can heal very quickly. Underneath every single chronic ailment or disease or autoimmune condition or stuck pattern, there are things that need to be cleared. Sometimes I call them, we can have persistent bundles, which is a bundle of traumas and fears and doubts and beliefs and inherited patterns, and we unravel it and neutralize the whole thing. And boy, it goes away. So now we're more aligned with our innate power, our innate intelligence. So this is called BioField Clearing. So over the last couple of years, I've been teaching this to all kinds of practitioners. So it's a very sacred, beautiful process. I'm also doing sessions with people around the world. And every single time, no matter what your concern is, it's very unique and specific for you every single time. So this is something that I teach. It's an online masterclass series. It's an 8-week course. We do 2 hours once a week. We have another class coming up if you'd like to join us. You can get certified as a practitioner, or if you'd like to do it just for your personal use, for yourself and your family, it's something you can do very easily, and it's very effective. So I invite you to check it out and join me. If you have any questions about that, you can also let me know. So visit my website at biofieldclearing.com, and you'll see the upcoming class. If you register early, there's an early bird special. That's awesome as well. And if you're just looking for personal sessions for yourself, whether one session or a little series of sessions at a discount, you can go to my personal website, which is ultimatehealing.com. So, BioField Clearing, it's a powerful, sacred, beautiful technique that I love because it works with anyone for any reason and really realigns us with our true self and increasing our power. So thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a very blessed day. Thank you so much.